Attracting best clients in your company requires marketing, diversing, and also engaging in different platforms in a way that it can be able to manage your business and also to increase your platform in many ways. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon Akoth, and today we'll talk about how to attract clients in a best way of your company. And the first tip we're going to tackle is you need to build reputation. You need to build reputation in your company, whereby it's good to build your name. And as much as you're building your name, you need to make sure that in the diversity of the market, everyone knows you. Everyone, at least as much as they're gonna get to know you, at least you market yourself in a way that it's gonna approach clients in different way, and also it's gonna manage people to engage with you in a way that it's gonna create a lot of opportunities in your hands, so that you can work with different platforms, not only also in opening different businesses, but also in occupying your business in different way. And the other tip we're gonna tackle is you need to focus in your value. You need to focus on how you produce value to your clients, how you base your management team, how you engage in a way that as much as you're producing value to your team, you need to increase a way that you can manage your business in a platform of increasing, managing, and also building a lot of clients, whereby clients can approach you if you build your value, because when you build your value in your business, they're going to see the outcome of it, and they're going to want to work with you more and more, and they're going to want to produce a lot of engagement in terms of your business, and also occupying a lot of opportunities on your way. And the other thing is also you need to network. You need to put network in your strategic. You need to network yourself, and also you need to, as much as you network with yourself, you need to meet leaders, whereby they have been in that game for a long time, and as much as you engage in networking, it's going to uplift your business, and also is going to manage your clients, and also your clients will know how to manage you in your business. And as much as you're networking with different platforms, different leaders like investors, like developers, like founders can come in one, and also they can be able to work with you in different platforms. And also the other thing is also you need to have ideal customers. You need to have ideal customer, but you need to be approachable. You need to showcase your work in a way that they can be able to be managed in a way that as much as clients approach you, they can be able to work with you in an easier way, because how you manage yourself will be based on how you produce your income, and also you produce your goods. Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It will be glad if you learn things from here, and then we'll see you in my next episode.